Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I want to show you an up-close look at the women's athletic short from BMJL. This is such a cute pair of shorts. I love how they go up a little bit on the sides. You can see that they have a nice wide waistband, and they just fit like a dream. Here you can see the shorts on and how well and nicely they fit. As I said, that little side area where it comes up a little is just so cute. I like the way they fit in the back, nice full coverage. And one of the awesome and best parts about it is there is a nice pocket here that I can put my phone or keys if I'm going for a run. Here's also a bit more of the detailing on the short. You can see that it has these nice lines that I think are very flattering as well when you're wearing them, as well as some stitching along the top here and side that I think just really helps to make everything look nice and well fitted. I am wearing a size large and I weigh 160 pounds and 5'6", and I would say that they definitely fit true to size. If you're looking for a great pair of workout shorts or something to wear to the beach, these would be a great option, but that's just my point of view.